guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Also, feel free to check out my other YouTube channels in the description below. Alright, so what am I going to show you today? Okay guys, so let's make a homemade facial scrub. So what we're going to do is we're going to be using I'm going to be using some gluten-free flour. You can use wheat flour if you prefer, but I'm going to be using this gluten-free flour. I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of this gluten-free flour, or you can use regular flour if you wish. So 2 tablespoons of our flour. I'm going to be using 1 teaspoon of epsom salt, and this is the exfoliating to help with exfoliation. So I'm going to be using 1 teaspoon of epsom salts. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Again, we're using this to help with the exfoliation because it has the granules. So 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Okay. I'm going to use, I have aloe vera gel. If you don't have it, well then you can just leave it out. I do have some aloe vera gel, so I'm going to be using 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel. Actually, you know what? I think I'm going to add more jojoba oil to this. So I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil. Okay. Okay, I'm also going to add 2 teaspoons of honey. Lastly, I will add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Alright, so let's mix everything together. So once you store this in a clean jar, it should last you for the length of time that you would need to, whenever you need to exfoliate your skin. So you can do this maybe 2 or 3 times a week to exfoliate your skin. And then whenever this is finished, well, you just mix another batch again. But I hope you enjoyed this idea of making your homemade facial scrub that helps to clean out your pores, freshen up your skin. As a matter of fact, what I would also recommend is that if you can do a facial steam, once a week, that is also very good. Do a facial steam. And in case you're wondering how you can do that, it's quite simple. Just put some water in a pot to boil, and once it comes up to a boil, just simply turn off the stove, take your pot over to your table, get a towel, drape that towel over your head and get a steam. Now what I would do, or what I usually do, I would actually add some rosemary in my water. So I get a rosemary facial steam. So you can add anything. You could add orange peel, you could add rosemary to the water and just sit over it. Actually, adding the rosemary will be very good because that will also help if you have any sinus problems. The rosemary inhaling, it will be good. So you just cover it over and just stay a few minutes, and you will get a nice facial steam. Alright, so this is our scrub here, guys. So once again, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in my next video. Of course, don't forget to give the video the thumbs up, and feel free to share with family and friends. Bye for now.